I have more proof that the real estate market is indeed slowing down when you compare it to the month of May. I want to share one stat with you guys that was almost non-existent for the last 4 or 5 months. And that stat I'm talking about is price changes. We have not seen this number at all. I mean, there were a few here and there, but as we all remember, like anything you would put on the MLS would sell in like 3 or 4 days with 30 or 40 offers because we had a huge inventory shortage. But this number is starting to go higher and higher as the days go by. So what I've done is I pulled up the 5 big regions: Halton, Peel, Toronto, York, and Durham. And I pulled up all the active listings that are available right now. So this is everything available right now on the Toronto MLS. But the number I want to focus on is this number here. This is how many listings in each region have had to drop their price because they were not getting the price they wanted. So for example, in Toronto, almost 1,000 listings have had to drop their price because they were not getting the price they were hoping for. So that accounts for 16% of all listings available with a price change. In Peel, we are at 13% with price changes, and in Halton, it's as high as 18%. Now, I posted another video about a week ago, and that was also showing that we are right now, we're seeing fewer sales in the month of June than we did in May, and we're starting to see more inventory pop up. So new listings are higher in June than they were in May. Sales are actually lower in June than they were in May, and now we're starting to see more and more price changes in June. So this usually means that the market is starting to calm down. I saw this stuff happening last year in March, and everybody laughed at me. But you can't argue with the stats. Back then, we were at the peak of the market, like January, February, March in 2022 was the peak of the market. But I was starting to see these numbers pop up. And I try to tell people, hey, everything's great, but the market is indeed changing, and people laughed. That's okay. But, I think it's our duty as agents to present the stats without any sales bias. So that's what I'm doing. Let me know down below, what do you guys think? Is the market starting to slow down? And is the Bank of Canada going to raise the rate again in July? I'll see you later. Thanks. Bye.